Is it the right time to make a decision on buying or selling Alibaba stock? Today, we'll take a deep dive into Alibaba. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, November 29, 2023. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our latest analysis. We don't want you to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Supercharge your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from November 16, 2023, our system has identified Alibaba as a strong sell candidate, with a score of -6.47. Now, let's take a closer look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of -5.61%. This means that on average, it has been losing -0.62% per day since being listed as a strong sell candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a downward trend in the short term, which could present a great buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $74.60 is broken, it would indicate a stronger rate of decline. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential -12.75% change expected over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -12.83% to -0.337%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a -13.27% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from -19.27% to 23.96%. This means the stock price could range between $60.28 and $92.56 after a year. Our latest update on Alibaba brings the headline, Alibaba stock price down 2.7% on Wednesday. On Wednesday, November 29, 2023, the Alibaba stock price saw a decrease of 2.7%, dropping from $76.74 to $74.67. This marks the 4th consecutive day of decline. Throughout the trading day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $74.43 and a high of $75.46, representing a 1.39% variation. In the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 6 instances, resulting in a total decrease of 10.97%. Although the volume of shares traded increased by 8 million on the last day, the prices continued to decline. This may serve as an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately 31 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to $2.29 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $121.30, while the lowest was $74.43. Currently, the price stands at $46.63, or 38.44%, below the 52-week high. It is also $244.65, or 76.62%, below the all-time high, which occurred on October 27, 2020, with a price of $319.32. Analyst Ratings. On Friday, November 17, 2023, Morgan Stanley rated Alibaba as overweight with a hold action. On the same day, Mizuho Securities gave Alibaba a buy grade with a hold action. Also on November 17, Benchmark rated Alibaba as a buy with a hold action. Moving back to October 10, 2023, Benchmark again gave Alibaba a buy grade with a hold action. And on August 31, 2023, Susquehanna rated Alibaba as positive with a hold action. Analysts have given Alibaba stock a general buy rating. They highly recommend buying Alibaba stock based on its strong PE ratio and price-to-book value. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have a more neutral stance. Today, let's take a closer look at Alibaba and analyze its current signals. Unfortunately, there are few to no technical positive signals for Alibaba right now. In fact, both short and long-term moving averages indicate sell signals, suggesting a negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals shows a general sell signal, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. On the upside, we can expect some resistance at $77.68 and $82.01. If the stock manages to break above these levels, it may issue buy signals. However, it's important to note that a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, November 15, 2023, resulting in a decline of -14.24% so far. This indicates the possibility of further falls until a new bottom pivot is found. Another concerning factor is the current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Furthermore, volume rose on falling prices yesterday, which can be seen as an early warning sign. It's advisable to closely monitor the stock in light of these developments. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which is indicating a sell signal. Another signal to consider is the pivots, which gave a sell signal 10 days ago. On the other hand, the Bollinger Indicator provided a buy signal just 1 day ago. Looking at the short-term moving average, it gave a buy signal 11 days ago, and the long-term moving average also provided a buy signal 11 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages gave a buy signal 12 days ago. Now, let's analyze the 12-month chart to see the following signals. The short moving average gave a sell signal 10 days ago, while the long-term moving average provided a sell signal 58 days ago. Interestingly, the relation between the short and long moving averages gave a buy signal 45 days ago. If you want to find more signals like these, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Alibaba. When we look at the accumulated volume below today's level, we find that there is no strong support for the stock. This means that if the right conditions arise, Alibaba's stock may perform poorly in the next couple of days. It's important to keep this in mind when making investment decisions. Now, let's discuss the risk associated with Alibaba's stock. This stock typically has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. This means that while there is some level of risk, it is not extremely high. In terms of volatility, we can look at the stock's performance over the past day and week. Yesterday, the stock moved $1.03 between its highest and lowest points, which translates to a 1.39% change. Over the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 1.51%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Alibaba, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One crucial data point to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A lower PE ratio could indicate lower expectations for the company's future or an undervalued stock, which may present a buying opportunity. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 22, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $2.86. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now, let's dive into the potential day trading levels for Alibaba. If there's an upward trend, the first resistance level for Alibaba stands at $77.60. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. However, it's important to note that there isn't significant support from accumulated volume below. This means that the stock has the potential to sharply drop under certain conditions. Therefore, it's crucial to proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you're an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. We have evaluated this stock unfavorably, and it is important to note that no stop loss has been set. Is Alibaba stock a good buy? Alibaba has been experiencing several negative signals and is currently in a wide and falling trend. As a result, we believe its performance will remain weak in the near future. Our evaluation of this stock is negative. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price of Alibaba is undervalued. When trading begins on Thursday, November 30th, we anticipate Alibaba's opening price to be $0.180 higher at $74.85. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. We strongly advise consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please remember that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our latest stock analysis. We would love to hear your thoughts on our current view. Please share your opinion in the comments section below. Additionally, feel free to let us know your target for this stock. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our future content. We hope you have a successful trading experience and enjoy a wonderful day. Best regards from the entire team here at Stock Invest.